Melissa from Nature's Garden. Today we're going to make a wood grain CP soap using our brand new fragrance oil, NG Mahogany Teakwood type. Let's whip it up! Okay, so today we are going to make a cold process wood grain soap. I was inspired by our brand new fragrance oil, NG Mahogany Teakwood type, to create a cold process soap that had a wood grain to it. So what we will do is we will go ahead and combine our lye solution and our soaping oils, which I've already prepared. I've brought them to room temperature. We'll add our fragrance oil in, of course, and then we're going to separate it into 4 squeeze bottles. In one of them, we are actually going to leave it uncolored. So the reason for this is because the Mahogany Teakwood fragrance oil discolors to the perfect color for this recipe. It's kind of a nice wood type color. So we're gonna go ahead and leave it uncolored, let it discolor naturally, and then we have the perfect color for the scent. The next bottle will add 10 drops of the brown oxide, 3 drops of the black oxide, and that's going to give us a darker wood color. For the mahogany type color, we're going to use 10 drops of tomato red, and then we'll use 3 drops of brown oxide and 3 drops of red oxide. Finally, for the last color, we're going to do kind of a more tan color, and we're going to do 10 drops of yellow oxide. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll go ahead and get everything combined and start filling our mold. When we fill our mold, we'll take each of the colors and just run lines through it until we use up all of our batter. All right, so we have went ahead and filled our mold. We'll wait about 24 to 48 hours and then we'll remove it from the mold. And all we're going to do is just cut it in equal sections. So I did want to show you what it will look like once it cures. This soap has been curing for about 3 weeks, so it's discolored to the point that it's going to. But as you can see, there's a very nice wood grain to it. It turned out so pretty. I love it. So for even more fragrance fun ideas, make sure you check out the website at www.naturesgardencandles.com. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and that you like the video. Until next time, we will see you later. Bye, guys.